Today we will replace the rear brake pads in this Range Rover Discovery Sport 2020. In the workshop manual, this is the section that is about the rear brake pad replacement, and it says the parking brake module has to be put into service mode, and then it's a quite straightforward procedure. So before we can put the electric parking brake into service mode, we have to release it. So now the parking brakes are not applied, and now we can run the iCarsoft. So parking brake replacement, switch ignition on, it is already done, and now you can hear this sound here. Now the parking brakes are disengaging on both sides, and now these are in service mode, and we can see on the dash that the car, now it is in Hungarian, but it says that the brakes are in service mode and it has to put back into normal mode before driving. These are the real brake calipers, and there is no handbrake module like in my Range Rover Sport 2011. It has its own electric motor that engages the brake pads, and that's why it has to be put into service mode. So it has no separate caliper for the electric motor, which is strange for me. Remove the brake caliper and then remove the brake. There is a securing clip, it has to be removed, and I think now the caliper can come off. Oh, these pads are really thin. Look at this. Oh my god. So that was outside. That was inside with this clip. I guess these were never replaced on this car. And now we can measure the thickness of the brake rotor, and we will check it in the manual if it is still in spec. And here is this electric motor that operates the parking brake. The brake discs are absolutely fine. The original thickness is 20 mm and the service limit is 18, and we measured 19.8, so these don't have to be replaced. So we push back the piston with a special tool. We put back the brake pads with anti-rattle spring is inside. Torque is 30. And there is another spring or a clip outside. Is it easy, David?
No.
No? What's your special technique?
This.
Oh, look at this. He's not an amateur. It's not his first time, obviously. And left side is done. Some more cleaning. Dave likes it clean. According to the workshop manual, it has to be done in 3 stages: 4 Newton meter, 70 Newton meter and 135. So Dave doesn't care, it seems. He just did it in a single stage. An important note: when the parking brakes are in maintenance mode, they are not working, obviously. So do it on a really flat surface, otherwise you will be in trouble. And final step, to put back the parking brakes into normal mode, which is exit maintenance mode, this one here. So 2 down, enter, 1, voltage, I don't know if I have to put the ignition, switch ignition on, and now it's ready. Now there is a countdown and the parking brakes are operating again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and see you at the next one.